Welcome back to another banger video. We are gonna do another unboxing of this Amazon because I had fun the first time, so let's see what we get this time. Hope it's better than the last one. If I can get this box open, here we go. Ooh, almost fell. Well, looks like we got some Christmas stuff. First off, we got a dog sweater, like from handy. Second off, we got some Christmas balls. There's a season right there. Not again. Not again. We got some more of these. Well, what are we gonna do with all these? We got some dietary supplement for your nose and ears. We got some, what's this? Medium cone bags. I don't know what them are, but whatever. Some more Kind bars. Some more Kind bars. I'm gonna start a business selling Kind bars, I guess. What is this? Toilet paper holder. Might come in handy right there. Okay, we got mother and daughters, like a dream catcher. That's actually pretty nice. I like that. Okay. Headbands. Handicraft. Another text message coming through from someone. I don't know. Cold water enhancer. Don't know what that is. Another cold water enhancer. We'll just throw them over there. What in God's name is this? Okay, here we go. Oh God. Someone mute their phone. Don't even know what these are, but some Chinese writing on the back. I don't know. We'll throw that over there. What is this? Mind reader thing. Don't want no one writing my mind. Thoughts. Don't know what in God's name this is. We'll open it up. We're curious here. A beer opener. I don't enough to drink, but we'll find a way to use that. Hey, a phone case for a Galaxy. Too bad I have an Apple. Another mind reader. Smarty Pants vegetarian probiotic. I ain't smart enough. Baby stuff. Don't got no kids. Now we're talking. We got an iPhone case. Another iPhone case. Screw them Androids. What's this? We got a big box here. We'll put this to the side. Oh yeah, now we're getting somewhere. Smartwatch cases. 2 of them. Them will come in handy. You gotta be kidding me. I got another Q. My God. More Kind bars. More Kind bars. Another kid game. Don't got no kids. Here we go. We'll see what's in these. Plastic duvet cover. Don't know what that means. But we can figure out how to get this baby open. I guess we gotta cut it here. There we go. I don't know what a God name that is. It really is a mystery. Oh yeah. We got some potato chip. We got a snack box. Let me show you guys what we got in here. Oh, I think I cut a bag. That ain't good. What in God's name? How do you open this thing? Oh yeah, we got the good stuff. We got these cookies. That makes up for the price. See? Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Another video next Sunday. Peace.